Okay, see the question number 11. First, you have to draw a x and y axis. Then you have to draw all the force acted on the object. Okay, for this case, we have external force F. F not lie on x and y axis, so you have to resolve F to Fx and Fy. Okay. Then you have to identify the angle between the force and the S. So for the first one, how to find the work done by weight. So weight is downward. The S is x-axis. So you can draw, this is S, this is W. So angle is equal to 19. For normal force, S is here and N is here. So degree angle is equal to 90 degrees. For frictional force, you can see the direction of S is here and the Fk is here. So the angle is 180. So for the external force, the angle is equal to 60. Okay, thank you.